Okay, hello everyone. I hope you are listening to my voice. I'm really happy and glad to say that I have started making some kind of game vlogs videos, and this is my starting. I am doing game development for almost 2 years now, and recently I just thought, why don't I make some indie devlogs? So, okay, in the current scene you can see that I am making a game now. This is kind of endless runner type of game, but it has some capabilities like it can melee fight. Okay, let's play the game and check what is going now. At present the game state is that I want to randomize the collectibles. So before that I have added a script in the collectibles so that it can be collected. Yeah, the collectibles are fun. It is working as expected. Let's do one thing actually. uh, in this current scenario, what we need to do is we can do it in two ways, like let's just randomize through the x values or randomize through the some pinpoint location. So I am optimistic to randomize through the x values, as uh, the the environment will be generated and the coins will be generated with that also. So let's try to do that. Maybe this part will of the video will go so long, as I have not thought any conditions yet. Let's try it. Okay, currently let's check if my if there is any prefab. I think there is no prefab. Like, I'm going to the game manager script. In the game manager script, text game object heart icons. Let's create a game object for the collectible coins, and here what we are doing is we are generating some sections here. So why not just we generate the coins here also? So what we need to do is just let's instantiate. We have a game object named as collectible coins. So we want to generate this game object at new vector x pause, not x pause actually. We want to generate okay, let's int temp y is equal random dot range. We should have range, like let's identify the range. What is the range here actually? um, in the game section, let's say environment. So our range should be like, let's check cubes here. We should get the one cube is at 7 and another cube sorry, one cube is at -9. Yes, one cube is at minus and another is at 9. So we want to randomize it through uh, z-axis. In z-axis, in temp set is equal random dot range. So it will be minus 9.0 f to positive 9.0 f. It is my range for the oh sorry, not int, it should be float. So float range for the z, and for the y it should be like, let's check out how the y is working. So this y should be actually should be 0. Y should be 0 because we're this is the endless runner and no y angles is there. So there is nothing for y. There should be something for x. So what we need to do is that we need to randomize the x value between the current x value. So let's x pause and x pause plus 60, as we are extending by 60 every time. I hope we got that right. Okay, so let's make it float. Okay, I think it's done. Okay, so what we need to do is vector 3 temp x0 temp z. We need to set the quaternion dot identity. We don't need to set anything else, as okay, let's do one thing more, that is game object temp collectibles is equal this. Why are we doing this? Because we want to set a parent for this thing. So let's do this temp collectible dot game object dot transform dot parent should be like collectible holder dot transform. Okay, I know that is showing the red because we have not declared any variable yet. We have one option. If we click the alter percenter, this should create a, okay, let's just make it up there. It will create a local variable, so create a global variable after public game object collectible holder. The error should be gone by now. Okay, it's done. Everything is done so far now. Oh shit, I was in the Unity editor environment so far. Okay, let's check this. Check in the coding section, what have I done so far. I have just added these two lines for randomizing the position of x and z axis. I have added this line to instantiate the game object collectible coins. I will add this in the game editor option, and I have made this game object the child of this, or I am making this game object the parent of this name collectible. I mean, every time I am generating a random collectible, I am setting the parent to collectible holder. So let's check in the Unity editor how we can achieve this. Okay, we are in the Unity editor now. Let's make a game object first as, I'll just copy it, reset this, and rename it to collectible holder. Okay, let's go to the game manager section. In the game manager, we assign this collectible holder to this, and we go to prefab. I have already created a prefab, I guess, named pirate coin. Okay, so I'm adding this to pirate coin to this. Okay, I hope it is done so far now. Now if we remove the existing coins, let's say, okay, let's pirate coin, ta-da. Okay, let's play it and see if there is any error or something else, and let's see if it generates or not. So far we can see there is generating, so we need to make this up a little bit, I think. Okay, can we pause it? Okay, just end the recording for now. I'll be back soon.